In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and photos to your GoDaddy website builder, a process that will help you enhance your website's visual appeal and make it more engaging for your visitors. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the GoDaddy site. Once you're on their homepage, locate the Sign In button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access the login screen. Here you can enter your login details to access your GoDaddy account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by following the prompts to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll need to find the website option on your account dashboard. This is where all your active products are listed. Click on the website tab to open the website management area. Here, you'll see various options depending on the services you have with GoDaddy. Next, locate the Edit Website button. This takes you into the website builder interface, which is where all the editing happens. Once inside the editor, find the Add Section button. This allows you to add new sections to your website layout. After clicking Add Section, you'll see a variety of pre-designed sections that you can choose from. GoDaddy offers different styles such as text-based sections, image galleries, and more. For instance, if you want to showcase multiple photos, you could select the Photo Gallery section. This is a great option if you're looking to add a collection of images to your site. Once you've chosen your section style, you'll need to click on Add to incorporate this section into your web page. The section will now be part of your site, but it's empty for now. To fill this new section with images, click directly on the section itself. You will see an option to change image. Selecting this will open up various ways to add images. You have several choices. You can generate images using AI tools, upload your own images directly from your computer, or choose from a library of iStock images available in GoDaddy. Decide on the option that works best for you and proceed by uploading or selecting your photos. Once your images are uploaded, don't forget to click Insert to place them in the section. At this point, you might want to change more images or add image settings such as captions or links. That's entirely up to your website's needs. Finally, always use the preview function to see how your images look on the live site. If you're satisfied with how everything appears, you can go ahead and click Publish to make these changes visible to the public. That's it. You've successfully added images to your GoDaddy website. This process is a surefire way to improve your site's visual aesthetic and engage visitors more effectively.